So today we are heading to Animal Kingdom, and we were staying in the All Star Sports Resort here in Disney. Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you, Logan. And Disney, all employees are amazing. Super, super sweet. I met this guy, Dan. He was so nice. Logan, who just came to give her hat, which my son had, Ayush had forgotten on the table.
Oh, it was the Super Bowl.
There was
Wasn't
no
that the biggest comeback?
Okay, let's go. Let's find the bus.
Now where's the bus?
In Animal Kingdom now. I got my new hat, kind of animal print hat. I really wanted it. I saw it and I was like, this is me. And look at the beautiful tree. Not sure if it's real. I don't think it's real. Oh. I'm in the Kali River Rapid Ride in the Kali Temple here, and it's amazing how it really looks like India. And we almost felt like we're in mini India. That's the Kali River Rapids ride we're about to take with the kids. Anush and Ayush and Amit. Isn't that a cute water fountain, Anush? Hey, we are in the Maharaja Jungle Trek to see the animals, and they're going to see Liguana, like a big lizard, and I hate lizards, so I'm definitely not gonna see it. Like my hat? I like my hat. I'm gonna enjoy my hat and the video, and I'm gonna talk to the NRI life while they see the bad Liguana.
They're much bigger than these, right?
I know it's a lizard. I don't want to see it.
No, it's a Komodo.
We are here to see the Lion King show, and there was a half-an-hour wait. We didn't take the fast pass for it.
And you cannot eat. Isn't that crazy?
So
We
what?
bought popcorn.
Yeah, but they don't want us to make mess. That's why. Remember how you were eating popcorn earlier? So look how many people are here.
1,000.
So many rows full of people to watch in each show. At least few hundreds are here.
Not 100, 1,000.
1,000? I don't know. I'll probably try to take a glimpse of the show if there'll be enough light to take. The monkeys. I mean, they're not really monkeys. People dressed as monkeys. Safari.
Yeah.
Safari ride.
Half of you.
What don't I see
I'm bring it back up. These animals coming up. These are called bongos. So B-O-N-G-O.
What don't I
B-O-N-G-O.
NGO.
B-O-N-G-O.
Bungo.
Yeah.
Bungo.
These are the bongos. And the little one without its horns, they're just a couple months old.
Wow.
They're quite young.
Bungo.
But yeah, both the male and the female end up having those.
His name is Bungo.
Now we're
Having
gonna head
safari
down
ride.
and over the
Hey, the hippo.
Hippo.
You're very small. A baby giraffe is born at 6 feet tall.
Oh, it doesn't.
So they just keep on growing. So
6
there's
feet
the giraffe
tall.
on your left, and we're getting close to the cattle again.
Wow, look at the giraffe, so
Oh,
cool.
do you too?
And the cattle calling us too. I love it. Ayush, are you happy?
Oh, it's not a giraffe. I don't know, it's not as funny when you say like a cattle jam, but we can pretend it's a giraffe. Traffic jam. Giraffe. You can't really say that too often, even out here. Look at the cute little tail end.
She's calling her. Time
He's
to
not listening.
eat something. Oh, she's gonna give him a kissy.
Oh, wow.
On with our journey here as we go.
We're taking the safari, monkeys,
Look to your back,
crocodiles,
you can see
giraffe,
He's there. There we go.
elephant,
That is an excellent view.
African elephant.
Better view here of those elephants that are hiding.
Flamingo.
But yeah, either way, this is all part of Wild Africa.
Wow.
That's pretty cool. Look at the water making.
Our
The best
safari
safari ever is over.
ending. Yeah.
But did everyone enjoy?
Yes.
Yeah, I hope you guys did, and I think we're gonna go around the corner here. But I think you guys enjoyed, and hopefully you learned something. Did I tell you about the giraffes and their hearts? I
No.
like telling everybody this. So, because giraffes are so tall, they have a super high blood pressure. In order to support it, their hearts actually weigh about 25 pounds and
Wow.
about 2 feet long.
Wow.
Yeah, they're really cool.
They're gonna make us sit in those jeeps, as you can see, and take us to the dinosaur time. And we have to bring back a dinosaur. So Anush spent his first money, almost $20 on this bubble thing. I wanted him to get
How long does
something
this
from
last?
Disney for
If
his
it's on
first money.
all the time, probably like an hour.
We'll be on the safari. Perfect.
That's when we gotta go.
Are you happy? You got a bubble toy, guys? But he didn't fight for it, Anush. We reminded him. Is that something you want? You're a good boy, Anush.